If your Etsy shop feels like a ghost town right now, tons of views, barely any sales, you might be making these five tiny listing mistakes that are secretly wrecking your shop. I'm talking about easy to fix mistakes that keep your products buried in search, make customers click away, and crush your conversion rates. And you probably don't even realize you're doing them. But before we dive in, if you're struggling with what to even sell on Etsy, I've got you. I put together a free guide with 500 plus digital product ideas that actually sell. Grab it in the description so you never waste time guessing what people want. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Karen, and I help beginners create, market, and sell their digital products for passive income. So let's get into all the mistakes. The first one that I see often is weak or generic product titles. Etsy is a search engine, which means keywords are everything. A title like planner template is basically invisible. You want something specific that matches how your customer is actually searching. So instead of planner template, try edible budget planner Canva template. See the difference? It's clear, it's keyword rich, and it's way more clickable. Don't just stuff a bunch of random words. Use 3 to 4 high ranking keywords that make sense together. So today I want you to pick one of your listings and rewrite the title using at least 3 keywords you find in Etsy search or Everbee. Mistake number 2 I often see is low quality or confusing thumbnail images. Your first image on Etsy is the reason someone clicks or scrolls right past your listing. So if your image is blurry, dark, no mockups, no titles, that's a no. People are just going to continue scrolling. When you're creating your mockups, you want bright, clear images, ideally on a mockup that shows your product in real life. That could be someone holding, whether it's like a digital invitation, or that could be mocked up in a laptop, in a tablet, in a computer, something that they can see how it's actually going to look upon purchase. And then always add a simple text overlay with a big benefit, like editable in Canva or instant download. So for today, I want you to redesign your primary listing photo so it's clean, high quality, and instantly shows the value of your product. And a little tip for you too is go out and look at what is already selling. What is eye-catching to you? Obviously, never copy anyone's listing image, but see what catches your attention and apply it to your listing images as well. Mistake number 3 that I often see is poor or missing product descriptions. If your description is 2 lines, you're killing your trust. But if it's a giant wall of text, that's overwhelming too. You want the perfect middle ground. Start with a quick intro, then break down the features and the benefits in bullet points. Include your keywords naturally, explain who's it for, what's included, and how they can use it. And then end it with a call to action. So today I want you to go and update one listing with a short intro, bullet points, SEO keywords, and a CTA. Now, if you're thinking this sounds like a lot of work to create all of these products and write all of these listings, I have something that will save you a ton of time. And that is my digital goldmine PLR membership, which gives you done for you PLR products every month that you can rebrand and sell as your own. In there, I also provide you with the best-selling tags for that digital product, as well as suggested pricing on Etsy. And right now, you can grab it at the founding member price. If you choose the yearly option, it's even better. The link is in the description below. Now, moving on to mistake number 4 is ineffective or missing tags. Etsy gives you 13 tags. Use them all. And don't waste them on repeats like planner and planners. Mix short keywords with long tail ones and add synonyms or even regional variations like budget and finance. And in order for you to find really good tags to use for your products, you can research using Everbee. That's one of my top tools that I use, or even Etsy's own autocomplete when you start typing in the search bar. So I want you to audit your tags today. If you got low performing ones, swap them for keywords people are actually searching right now. And mistake number 5 that I often see is lack of clear product delivery info. This one's a huge one for digital product sellers. Customers don't always understand how they'll get your product. If it's not crystal clear, they're going to panic, think it's a scam, and open a case. So always say this is a digital download. explain what file types they'll get: PDF, PNG, a Canva template link, and exactly how they'll receive it after purchase. So, another action step that I have for you today is to add a delivery explainer to every listing and mark it as a digital product in Etsy's listing details as well. Now, if you want me to literally walk you through how to create and sell digital products from scratch, titles, images, description, tags, marketing, all of it, I teach you everything step by step inside my program. It's made for beginners and you'll have your product ready to sell fast. The link is in the description below. And if you like this video and found value in it, you're definitely going to love this one right here. If you paired what you just learned right here with this one, it is going to be game changer. I'll see you over there.